so big right now. So you can just like...
What's that?
Imagine there was a fighting like last time.
Yeah, bro.
I just like take stones, do like in the spot.
No, but that fire in the kakakama was actually so bad. The kakakaka. Okay. I forgot what this camp's called. It would be the title.
Is eating our burgers with our nice food. Kind of nice food.
Yeah.
And they're really good.
Yeah, I got a double patty with cheese and tomato. What do you have?
And then for dessert, we have some s'mores.
Yum yum. Now we're on the walk. It's proper. I mean, like, look at that view.
Pretty good.
Tea time. Back to the Olympics. We are doing twig throwing, and here's my mom. She throws. Landed here, so I'm gonna put my plug here.
No, here's my point.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's Mama's second try. Goes in.
Oh, close. It landed over here. There's the spot.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, okay. Can you beat Mama? Way over mine. Can trying to beat his own record and go. Wow, he actually did it. Maybe Jesse must come try and beat you.
Okay, guys. So this is what we're eating right now.
Banana. Oh, banana.
Pretty good.
Banana.
It's pretty yellow.
Wait,
So
what it is? I thought it was blue.
okay. Okay, we might take our radios and go walk around, but I just wanted to show you guys the tent and the braai, and there's a kitchen right there.
There's the bathroom and
Of course, we will show you the room and my
face
room.
wash dishes.
But yeah, there's the cars, more cars, and yeah. Oh, there's the pool down there. But yeah,
Yeah, it's a lot different from the other place where it's like a desert.
yeah. I mean,
That was
it's kind of more.
Peaceful, yeah.
Yeah, it's
What's up, guys? This is I'm gonna name him Jeff.
Jeff.
Like there's a pony.
Yeah, you can't see him.
That's how short he is. Yes. Okay.
Okay, I see it.
No. You're viewers now. No, he's showing his jawline to the viewers. I'm joking.
Where's like, where's my food?
He's like, where's this guy's?
I promise I'll get you some food.
Where's my food now? My fingers are not hay.
Yeah, you got grass there. Why aren't you eating some grass?
Hey, bro, my fingers not hay. Okay.
I think we're the only ones that actually like want to flip and say hi to this person.
Red hair looks like mine.
Yo, it's a pony.
Come, bro. That's the pony.
Whoa. It's a bird.
Hi.
Yeah.
Look at the pony.
Hello.
It's Jeff. And his name is Bob.
My name's Jeff.
And his name is Prince the Third or something.
Oh, right.
Prince James the Third. Pony. Hi, pony. Give me a high five. Yeah. Give me a high five.
Okay, goodbye. Explore time. Dude, it's crazy. Oh my days, this is so hot. You guys, I wish there was like a app that when you press it and you're doing a video call, you could just feel what the other feel.
Like how hot it is.
Yeah, like the weather.
That is so random.
Unless we go up there. Yo. Stay either.
Is it just water? It smells like something different.
Weather. Let's check what's up there. Yo, check that. Nah. Good view. Oh, Jesse's gonna jump. Jesse's gonna jump. It's not really a jump. Like, watch this, guys. Watch this. Yeah. Oh. There you go.
Okay, you just not just almost put over that.
Oh, another jump. Yeah, Jesse, you jump. It's not really a jump, bro. I can't jump down there.
Keep dripping.
Oh my! Oh!
Are you okay?
I'm fine. Another jump! Oh my days, I'm getting so annoyed. You know what? Oh! Oh! Another jump! Whoa! Oh! That was so sore. On my feet. Ha! Okay. Yo guys, check this termites.
Well, they might be, I don't know, we probably might be stupid and not be termites.
Oh my days, there's one on my foot. Okay, should we go that way?
Then we have to down with the not the termites.
They're all over my foot. They're all over my foot. Oh my days. No. Get off my foot. Get off my foot.
Why are you swimming?
We're still on the walk. And what the foot is that? Check that view. Okay guys, this is the end of our walk.
Very nice walk, even though it's short. Pretty short.
Oh,
It's very nice.
360. Yeah, it is. It was a really nice walk. It was just a little bit hot for me.
It's just
Yeah.
yeah.